Welcome to CloudShare, the solution that helps you manage all your web content in one place. In this video, you will create an item using the mobile app. When you save a link with CloudShare, we call it an item. An item is a bookmark or any resource with the URL, such as a web page, an image, a video, or a document. To create an item with the mobile app, just go to any web page on your mobile device and tap Share. Then tap Add to CloudShare. Now you can adjust the properties for your new item. Tap the Edit Photo button to select a thumbnail for the item. You can set the privacy options for items to either private or public. The default setting is private. Private items are visible only to you. Public items are visible to all CloudShare users. By default, the title is pulled from the web page, but you can also rename it with a custom title. You can also assign a content type to the item so you can easily identify it or search for it later. By default, the URL for the item will be pulled from the web page. It's a good idea to add tags to your item. A tag is a keyword that is associated with your item that makes it easier to search and find the item later. To add a tag, tap Tags. Select from existing tags or create a new tag by tapping New Tag. Simply type in your new tag name and tap OK. Once your tags are selected, tap Apply. Now let's add this item to a collection. A collection is a group of items. It's like a folder to put related items into. To add a new collection, tap New Collection. Simply type in the name for your new collection and then tap OK. Select the collections you want to add the item to. Once your collections are selected, tap Apply. Your new item will now appear in the selected collections. Finally, save your item by tapping Save. Your new item now appears in your items list. It's easy to create an item with the CloudShare mobile app. CloudShare. Collect, organize, collaborate.